Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to expand horizon on Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the top, you're going to see options like edit photo, generate AI tools, avatar, animate, collage, etc. You're gonna have to scroll down. Then on instant edits, you're gonna see options like remove object, enhance, change background, fast filters, then finally AI expand. Tap on it. Now select start from the bottom of your screen. Now go ahead and select a picture that you want to expand the horizon of. Then select the ratio or choose the auto option given on the screen. Now in couple seconds you can select how much you want to expand. Once you're satisfied with the results, just go ahead and tap on save from the top right corner right beside edit. And guys, that's it. That's how you expand horizon on Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.